Hello and welcome to the PMP Exam Prep Course. This video marks the beginning of the PMP Exam Prep Course based on the PMBOK 6th edition. If you've been following my videos until now, it is most likely that you are serious about attaining a PMP designation. And I'm certain if you follow my recommended prerequisites for preparing and passing the PMP exam videos, see link in the description below, and follow my actual videos, you'll be well on your way to clearing a PMP designation. The source for much of the content of this course is the PMBOK 6th edition. While many people think the PMBOK guide is a boring book, it is important to know PMI is aimed to pass the PMP exam. That's how PMI wants you to think and act when managing projects for the purposes of clearing a PMP designation. Please be rest assured that I will be providing a detailed approach to clear a PMP exam on your first attempt at the end of this course. In the meantime, however, just keep watching these videos, read the PMBOK guide, and take notes. In this video, we're going to cover Chapter 1 of the PMBOK Guide 6th edition, the fundamentals of project management. Now let's get started. The fundamentals of project management is an important topic as it lays the foundation for understanding project management. In reality, project management has been around us for thousands of years. For example, the Pyramid of Giza in Egypt was created thousands of years ago. The Taj Mahal of India and the Great Wall of China are also good examples that demonstrate how long project management has been around with us. Now that we all agree project management has been around us for thousands of years, let us look at what a project is. A project has two characteristics. It is a temporary endeavor, and it creates a unique product, service, or result. When we say projects are temporary, however, it does not mean they are short in duration. Far from it. Temporary means that projects will end at some point, unlike operations. While we're at it, let us look at the reasons for ending a project. Projects are terminated for one of the following reasons. The project objectives have been achieved. The project's objectives will not or cannot be achieved. Funding is exhausted or no longer available for allocation of the project. The need for the project no longer exists. The customer no longer wants the project, for example. The human or physical resources are no longer available. The project is terminated for legal cause or convenience, a topic we'll cover in detail in procurement's knowledge area. While projects are temporary, we need to keep in mind that their deliverables may exist beyond the end of the project. For example, a project to build a national monument will create a deliverable expected to last for centuries, that's hundreds of years. Here are some of the examples of project outcomes: oil exploration, construction of a building, developing a website, conducting research. Let us look at organizational benefits of projects. Projects drive organizational change. That is to say, projects help organizations move from their current state, whatever that may be, to their desired state. Projects also create value for organizations. These could be in the form of tangible or intangible values. Examples of tangible values are monetary assets, stakeholder equity, utility, fixtures, tools, and market share. Examples of intangible values are goodwill, brand recognition, and some brands are worth in the billions of dollars, public benefit, trademarks, strategic alignment, reputation of the organization. Let us now examine reasons for initiating projects. Projects are initiated, that is, started, for four fundamental reasons. These are legal or regulatory requirement, market demand, customer request, organizational need, technological advancement. Now that we have looked what a project is, let us look at what project management is. At the fundamental level, project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet the project requirements. And project management is accomplished through the appropriate application and integration of project management processes identified for the project. Do you remember our discussion on consideration in the overview of the PMBOK Guide 6th edition videos? I'm sure you do. Here it is again, reaffirming that the PMBOK is a guide, and project managers are expected to keep consideration in mind while managing projects. That is to use appropriate processes for the project and not necessarily use all the 49 processes found in the PMBOK Guide 6th edition. Project management enables organizations to execute projects effectively and efficiently, helping companies save money and compete in the marketplace effectively by consistently delivering new capabilities in a timely fashion. Let's now examine the importance of project management. Effective project management helps everyone impacted by the project directly or indirectly. Here are a few examples of results of effective project management. Businesses achieve their objectives. We satisfy stakeholder expectations. Be more predictable. Increase chances of success. Deliver the right products at the right time. Resolve problems and issues. Respond to risks in a timely manner. Optimize the use of organizational resources. Identify, recover, and terminate failing projects. Manage constraints such as scope, quality, schedule, cost, or resources. And manage changes in a timely manner. On the flip side, the effects of poorly managed projects are as follows. Missed deadlines, cost overruns, spending more money than the budgeted amount for a project, poor quality, rework, which is cost of poor quality, uncontrolled expansion of a project, which is scope creep, a topic we'll cover in detail in the scope management knowledge area, loss of reputation for the organization, unsatisfied stakeholders, and failure in achieving project objectives. We'll learn from this the fact that projects are key for creating value and benefits in organization. In today's increasingly competitive landscape, marred with changes taking place at a dizzying rate, organizations are embracing project management to consistently deliver business values. All the more reasons as to why you should pursue a PMP designation. Now let us look at the relationship of portfolio, program management, and project management. As can be seen on this slide, a portfolio is a collection of projects, programs, subsidiary portfolios, and operations managed as a group to achieve strategic objectives. A program is a group of related projects, subsidiary programs, and program activities managed in a coordinated way to obtain benefits and control available resources for managing projects individually. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. The pyramid on this slide signifies the fact that portfolio management focuses on doing the right programs and projects, while program and project management focuses on doing projects and programs the right way. To learn more about portfolio, program, and projects, please refer to page 13 of the PMBOK Guide 6th edition. However, before we move on, I would like to touch a bit on the difference between projects and operations. Projects are temporary endeavors. This, however, does not mean short in duration, as we mentioned earlier. It just means that a project has a definite beginning and an end. Operations, on the other hand, is concerned with ongoing production of goods or services. Operations is concerned with transforming inputs such as materials, energy, labor, for example, into outputs such as products or services. This concludes our session today, and the next video we'll continue our discussion on the topic of the fundamentals of project management. I hope you found this video useful and informative. Be sure to subscribe to watch the upcoming videos about the PMP exam course on this channel. See you in the next video.